just wanted to show people how easy it was to move an object to another place, another position, using Openspace on a mouse click. So this is my object I've got here. Now I'm going to create a second dummy because I need somewhere for it to go. So I'm just going to call this background. I'm going to place that dummy somewhere around about there. Now I'll need to remember, because I rotated that, this will also need rotating to the same angle. So I'm just going to set the rotation on that to 90 degrees so it's facing up. So it's the same way around as the flag from previous. Okay, so that's there. I'm also going to add a camera. So rather than using the standard camera, what I want is a camera here. So it looks like this is moving towards it and I get the perspective change. So I'm going to add a camera. I'll just call it my camera. I'm going to make it 60 degrees. That's roughly matches most cameras. And I move that camera so it's behind the object. You can fiddle around a little bit with the positioning to go however you want, but as you see, as I'm looking through that camera, I'm seeing that flag in the distance. Okay, so I've got my camera, I've got my dummy object, got my flag, and I've got my background. So open up your scene. First job is to set the active camera. So if I go to search, put active, set active, oops, wrong one, set active camera. I'll choose to start that on the beginning, choose the camera, press OK. Press OK. So that sets the active camera. So when you open up, it'll be looking through that camera. The next job, I'm going to actually put in an AR marker camera. So I've got a capture camera so you can see it through the thing. So I'm just going to AR capture. I'm going to set my camera to be 1280. So on start. That's OK. So that will actually load up a camera, an AR camera, a webcam. So let's deal with the movement. So let's first of all do objects, object, move, go to, or move to. Use either, I'll use move to, both the same really. So it's going to go from the flag to the background, apply, no other changes needed. Now I want to do that this on a mouse click. So I'm going to add another object, object click. I'm going to click on the flag. That's the settings. Right click. If I left click on the flag, it moves to the place I want it to go. Now we can just test this. So remember, we've got this camera that we're looking through, so it's going to be moving towards that because it's going to move to this dummy, there to there. And we've also got the webcam that we can see through. So play, make sure I've saved it. Give it a second to load. There you can see my garden. If I click on the flag, that's moving towards me. Obviously, it's making it quite large. And I can close that. I can fiddle around with the positions and things. So the start and the end positions by moving these boxes around. But that's how you move an object from one place to another.